And also, acceptability also is high because they are the people who are there and they are building the solution. So that's how it is. Help them. Scalability easy ho jayega, and replicable model will be created, and then they can replicate in further more regions and nearby areas, and that's how they'll be able to scale. This is first. And second thing is, whatever the innovation comes out from that particular region, so जहाँ पे लोग वही का solution बना रहे हैं, they are selling it there, or they are scaling that business there. So money is circulating in that community itself, and it is also generating a lot of jobs in that region, which prevent migration to these major cities जहाँ पे overcrowd हो के वहाँ पे अलग तरह के problems create हो रहे हैं, उसको solution फिर नए startup को वहाँ से वहाँ पे लाना है. So this is can be completely eliminated. And उसके बाद उसके अलावा एक और major चीज़ है जो एक ecosystem create होगा. सारा ecosystem concentrate हो रहा है इस वक्त in these major cities. Balanced approach is very much important. Until and unless balanced approach नहीं रहेगा, तो वो सारा जो भी value create हो रहा है एक ना एक दिन वो फिर किसी मतलब नहीं रह जाएगा उसका. So if we create this ecosystem in these regions, that balance will be there, which is win-win for everyone. So yeah, that is very crucial. And third, मतलब सबसे जो major मेरा observation है, whatever innovations coming out from these regions have potential in the global market as well. I'll say this with two examples. There is a tribal community called Haki Pikki in Karnataka. They have come up with some social enterprises saw that they are coming up. They have some oil. They do this oil, which is hair growth के लिए which is really good. And they commercialized it, they marketed it, and they sold it in the market, and the demand is so huge, and results are so amazing. कि इस तरह का ट्राइबल कम्युनिटी से वो आया है और उसका इतना सारा बड़ा पोटेंशियल है एंड इतना बड़ा मार्केट है. Why that gap अभी तक वो क्यों नहीं बाहर आया? Because that ecosystem is not there and nobody has recognized that. There is a problem and that their solution is so good. So this is a game changer. And the second example, if I talk about this region, UP में, there is rice called Kala Namak rice. How many of us aware of it? Hardly, right? Yeah. So Kala Namak rice, the diabetic person also can eat. किसी को अगर sugar होता है तो सबसे पहले rice मना कर दिया जाता है. But Kala Namak rice is one rice that you can eat around, say if you have sugar or something. But till the time I am in the southern part of India, मैंने ये नाम भी नहीं सुना था. I come from southern part of India. I never heard of Kala Namak. When I came here, I got to know that there is some rice called Kala Namak, and it has so much of benefit, and the aroma and the taste is so amazing. And people of one of our startup is working on, he's here itself right now with us, and they are they're coming up with this Kala Namak, and they run the FPOs, they work with the farmers, which is grown completely organically, and it has huge potential in the market. And so this kind of gaps are there. It's just connecting the dots, and it's completely a game changer for everyone. Thank you.